Hello friends, how are you? Hope all are well wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel. Last video we talked about the list, about how to create the list and how to search and how to add, remove, all this stuff, And this video will go to the examples, the code, So let's jump to the ID, spider we are going to use. So this is how you can create the empty list, the name of the list and the bracket, and you can see the type of the what type it is, this is where we can see is it a list or something else, another way you can create the list, empty list with the first bracket, and if you run this program you can see the class are list type. They are the list type, I'm just going to close now. Let's jump to the next, how to create the list within the items, this is how you can um, create the list with items, so here's int items, just put the number 1 2 3 4, anything you can put, is number, and with a string value need to put, a quotation, either a single quotation or double, so you can either way you can stick to one, either single or double. And so if you want to see, the print items, let's see this print, this is how you can see a list with items when you're creating the list, and if you want to find anything, was the length of the list, very simple, just put the length keyword in front of the name of the list, and you can see the length of this list is length is 4. So next what we'll do is how to access the list items, let's say you want to see what's in your list, and how to access it on those, so I create another list, my food list, and I created with the food's name, and if you want to see what's in there, the 0th positions or number 4th positions, the number 4th position is there's no number 4th. You see, 0 1 2 3, and you can see there will be, it will show the error, there is nothing in the number 4th positions, um the apple is in the 0th positions, let's see if you want to see what's in the number 3 position. We will show the cherry, um it'll show the cherry, and finding the specific item in the list, if there's a list item, let's say number 5, anything in there, basically it's nothing there, and if you want to update, list, let's say if you want to put the watermelon in the position 3, so the cherry, instead of a cherry, it will be the watermelon, and I am just calling that again, on my food list, and here is how you need to create the update, the name of the list and the position number, index number, the 0, and then you put the name of the whatever they want to put, so if you run these, and you can see this apple, banana, orange, and watermelon now, my food list now is printing, because it's updated now. And you can also create the valid list without a comma, but this is not the fancy way, for readable purpose, it's always nice to put a comma, so if you see, if I run this, and you can see um it's showing, list is created, but there's no space there, everything is together, and one more thing is very important, if you forget to put the end of the bracket, it will show the syntax, or even the ID will show you the unaccepted, the code is not right, you have to put, ending bracket, sorry, the bracket, ending bracket, then you can see, so these are the, we'll go through more about the list, another video, so I hope you guys enjoy, please do subscribe my channels, and see you in the next video. Thanks, bye bye.